Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jazz here, back with a new video. That's my introduction. I need to coin that somewhere. But anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Goodfair unboxing. I had a chance to receive another package from Goodfair, so shout out Goodfair for everything. I've just been obsessed with them since I found out about them last year. So yeah, just love Goodfair, and if you've been an OG follower, you probably have heard me talk about Goodfair. I've shared them on my blog, I've posted them time and time again, and now I have the opportunity to work with them. So I'm just so blessed and so grateful, and I'm so excited to show y'all the items today. So before we get into that, let me just tell you a little bit about Goodfair, and then I'll show you everything that they sent over. A little bit about Goodfair, if you haven't heard of them just yet. Goodfair is an online thrift retailer. I came across them just searching on Google actually. If you're new to the channel, am an avid thrifter. My channel focuses on sustainable fashion, lifestyle, motivation and advice, and a little bit more. And because I'm an avid thrifter, I'm really into vintage streetwear. So I came across Goodfair when I was looking for just somewhere I could thrift online that had the types of essentials that I personally like to wear, since I do rock more of a streetwear style. So I'm always looking for crew necks and windbreakers and vintage hoodies and sweatpants and track bottoms. And I love Goodfair because they have all those essentials, and it's all mystery thrift items. So it's always what I call a surprise in a box. I love that, and the cool thing about Goodfair that I love is because you don't know what you're getting, if you don't like the selection that they sent you, you can go ahead and request another package. They'll ship it over, and they just ask you to pay for like a shipping fee. So they always replace the items if you're not 100% in love. I personally have always loved all my items in the box. If there's something that I'm like, I probably wouldn't wear it, I have tons of friends I can give things to and pay that forward. So I love Goodfair. Shout out for sending these items over. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So you know me, y'all. Your thrift queen here. I love Goodfair because I'm able to go on there and get all of my basics. So right now I am thrifting for spring, so I wanted to go ahead and get some bottoms, a few windbreakers, just some things to add to my spring wardrobe. So first item that they went ahead and sent me, and shout out Goodfair for the sticker. I'm going to put this on my new Hydro Flask when I get it. But the first thing they sent me is this windbreaker jacket. It has a little embroidery logo on it. I think it says TES, and I love it because it's really lightweight. This will be perfect for me to layer in the spring with some turtlenecks, and I think Goodfair just dropped like turtlenecks as well. So go check them out. I'll plug y'all with my discount code at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so this is a TS. It does have a zip up here. I got my windbreakers in size large. So you do notate your sizes, whether you want mediums, small, larges, whatever. But yeah, so excited to wear this. I was gonna do a try on in this video, but I'm actually just gonna do a whole video separately from this, styling these items into some thrifted fits. So stay tuned for that video, and give this video a thumbs up if that is something you want to see next on the channel. Right spot. So second item number 2 in the box. I'm obsessed for this one. It's definitely going to be in my collection for a long time. Y'all, look at this. I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I actually have a jersey that I'm selling for SUMBAE from them, same team. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this, y'all. I can't wait to style this into some fits for y'all, and I definitely want to do a photo shoot in this, so stay tuned for the fit pics on the gram. Definitely follow me, y'all, all that jazz, XX_ if you aren't already, and let me know YouTube sent you so I know. But yeah, so excited for this windbreaker. This is def a gem. Shout out Goodfair. Okay, so next item that they sent me is zip up hoodie. This is a brand logo, it definitely looks like, but nice essential basic hoodies. I love hoodies. I live in the Bay Area, so the weather does what it wants, and I also live kind of in the country near a mountain range, so we get a lot of wind. So I'm always layering up whenever I'm in San Francisco. If you've been there, yeah, their climate, yeah, bipolar. It's windy in one area, you walk 3 blocks up and over and it's sunny and hot, and it's just a whole other thing. So layering pieces are always an essential, and I love this one that they sent over in this box. So I believe there's one more item left to show you, and oh yeah, these are another pair of bottoms. These are just solid black kind of sweatpants. They aren't scrunched at the bottom, so they are an open leg, and you can never have too many sweats, y'all. I probably have like 5 pairs of black sweats or joggers, and you can't have too many. So I love Goodfair for these like essentials, especially like sweatpants and joggers. Track bottoms, I thrift for those all the time, and sometimes it can be hit or miss in the thrift store, so it's really good to know like Goodfair got you covered. They got you covered. Period. Alright everyone, that is it for today's video. Once again, thank you Goodfair for sending these items over. I'm so excited to style these into outfits. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do have a special discount code for you. So if you want to save some coins, sis, bro, gent, kings, queens, use my discount code, all that jazz, XX20. I'll leave my link down in the description box below as well, so you can save some money off your purchase. But definitely go check them out. Always remember, y'all, I'm such an advocate for shopping small, shopping sustainable, shopping local, and shopping green. So I will see y'all in my next video. Move in love. Bye, y'all.